Have you ever tried the Nigerian meaty fried rice? If you haven't, then this video is for you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest and delicious way to make your Nigerian fried meat recipe. So these are all the ingredients you need: your grated pepper, onion, bay leaf, ginger and garlic, our green pea, kidney beans, sweet corn, cooking oil, our yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrot and spring onion, then our beef and our Nigerian rice. And these are all the most important ingredients you need. So in the pot, you're just going to add your beef to it. Mind you, we need to boil our beef. So we're going to season it and then add a little bit of water to it because we want our beef to be very soft. Then we're going to add our curry, bay leaf, ginger and garlic powder, then our onion. Then we're going to mix this together and then cover it and allow it to get cooked between 15 to 20 minutes. And at this stage, this is after 15 minutes, our meat is ready. So we're just going to bring it out and time to start cooking. So in another pot, we're going to add our cooking oil, then our grated onion, mix together and allow it to sit between 1 to 2 minutes. We'll allow it to saute a bit, and after that we're going to add our washed rice to this. We're going to add our ginger and garlic powder, and then we're going to fry our rice. The reason why we're doing this is just to add flavor to our food and also to elevate the taste of our rice. So after frying a bit, I'm just going to allow it to sit between 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to mix again. Mind you, you need to allow your fire be on a low heat so you don't burn your rice while frying it. So after 3 minutes again, we're just going to mix together, then add our meat stock to this, then also add a little bit of water to our rice. We're going to mix this together and then taste our food in order for us to adjust its seasoning. So I'm going to add 1 cube, mix together again to make sure it's properly mixed. And then I'm just going to cover my rice and allow it to get cooked on a low heat between 20 to 25 minutes. This is after 25 minutes and this is what our rice looks like. It's about 90% ready but not fully cooked. So I'm just going to mix and then set aside. Time for us to fry our vegetables. So in another pot, we're going to add our cooking oil, add our diced beef to this, and then we're going to fry it. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure it's properly seated. After 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat, we're just going to mix that, flip to the other side. So now our meat is ready, so we're just going to add our grated onion to this. Then our grated pepper. Seasoning cube, just a little is okay because your rice is already sweet. Then we're going to add our sliced and diced vegetables to this: red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and carrots. So we're going to mix. Next step is our sweet corn and our green beans, with also our kidney beans. So allow it to sit between 1 to 2 minutes on a low heat. Then we're going to put our rice back on fire and then add our vegetables to this. And then we're just going to mix this together until it is well and properly combined. Look how bright and colorful this is. So we're just going to cover this and allow it to sit on a low heat between 7 to 10 minutes. And after that, we're just going to mix together again. And at this stage, our rice is ready. All we have to do is just to serve. So this is what we have. The same way this looks, that is how it tastes. So delicious. And like you know, I always bring easy and affordable and delicious recipe for you. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other recipes to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.